Hey there, Christi Ratcliff here. So last week we talked about setting the expectation of the season and what your desired result would be. We discussed using the journal to determine what items need to stay on the list because they bring you joy. Today we're going to talk about gathering the key ingredients. Well, what are those essential ingredients to a mentally light holiday season? Well, it's about taking your new expectation list from last week and breaking it down even further. But here's the issue. Your inner critic will say that the key ingredients are everything, that it's in the expectations and wants of everyone, and you, my friend, are supposed to make it all happen. And that is where the pressure cooker starts. When you start to sit down and write out all the things that you have to do this holiday season in such a small time frame, with you carrying the load, you will almost want to give up. But if you've reframed those expectations and you've created a list of how you want this holiday season to go and what is important to you, then from the viewpoint of your inner voice, you determine what the key ingredients are, what you're going to gather, and what you're willing to give so that when everyone leaves and the holidays are over, you're not depleted. See, there's a reason I call this gathering the key ingredients. It's because there is a difference between an ingredient, one, and ingredients. One is singular, one is plural. And up until this time, my gut says that you have been the one and only ingredient in this holiday season. But when you go to gather the key ingredients, it means you allow others to be a part of the recipe of a mentally lighter holiday season. So what would that look like? That could mean instead of you doing everything, you ask for others to enjoy the fun. That can mean that everyone who comes over this year for the holiday season actually brings a dish and you don't cook the entire meal. That could mean that you pare down your gift giving. Instead of giving to everyone because it's just the way it's done, you give to just those people who truly matter to you. Or maybe this holiday season you take a break from giving gifts because you need to work on your finances. And you're not going to get into debt anymore just to give a gift. Maybe this holiday season you want to open your home up instead of traveling. Or you want to stay home this holiday season and not be in all the hustle and bustle. It truly is up to you. Listen, everyone who's watching this video has a different list. What brings you joy may not bring the person next to you the same amount of joy, but that's not the point. The point is when you're gathering the key ingredients, you're building your personal recipe for a mentally lighter holiday season, and you're putting what matters most into the recipe and taking out that which doesn't serve you or the recipe. This is your unique creation, and it should bring you joy. So using the downloadable journal sheet for tip number 2, what are the key ingredients that you're going to gather for this holiday season? What ingredients may you eliminate? When you are clear on your expectations list, you know what ingredients to start gathering. Check out part 2 of this tip on Thursday.